All right, a lot of you are asking how to incorporate the Forte Serum in the Angela Collier regimen. What I love about the Forte Serum is that it's preventative and regenerative. As you've aged, it's able to go in with the technology of BioMSC to repair and regenerate all of the signs of aging quickly. Okay, you want to start your routine with the Neroli cleansing oil. This just won an Allure Beauty Award for best cleansing oil. And the next step, which is my favorite step, is to apply the Forte Serum, followed by the souffle-like texture of the Souffle Moisturizer. Oh, this is one of my favorites. This is the Daily Botanical Serum Oil. This would be next step. And if you're wondering what are you going to exfoliate with, use the elderberry bakuchiol 2 times a week at night. And I love the Gold Cryo because this is such a beautiful way to seal in all of the products, help with lymphatic drainage, and just give this instant glow to the skin. And if you really want to bring the facial treatment home, this LED mask has 180 red and infrared lights. That's like clinical grade. That's what we do in the treatment room. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.